In this video, we are going to explain the meaning of techniques and materials in artwork. Knowing these important art concepts will help you better understand painting, so let's begin. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Here's a quick exercise to help you begin to understand these concepts. Close your eyes and imagine having pride in yourself for finishing your next piece of art. Describe it to yourself. Now imagine everything you'll need in order to create that piece of art. Is it acrylic paint, paintbrushes, and a canvas? Maybe it's clay in an oven, or stone and a chisel. These are just a small sample of all possible materials used to create artwork. Materials are the specific items that you'll need in order to make the art that you're imagining. Your technique is the way in which you create your artwork. If you're a painter, your technique may be using a paintbrush on stretched canvas. It may also mean mixing your paint with medium and pouring it over the canvas. The materials are similar, but the technique is different. As artists and humans, we tend to learn more as time moves forward. This fact implies that your technique will likely change and improve over time as you learn more and gain experience. Materials and techniques together are the backbone of your creative process and may evolve over time as your interests and skills grow. Let's review what we've learned today. Technique is the way in which you create your artwork. Materials are any items that you'll use in order to make the artwork a reality. Thanks for joining us. If this video helped you understand techniques and materials in art, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Receive your acrylic painting supply list and paintbrush guides to help you get started. Just visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides.